In this video, you will learn about all the important parts of a bicycle. 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 I ride a bicycle. Bicycle frame. Bicycle frame. The frame is the main part of the bicycle. Bicycle handlebar. Bicycle handlebar. I hold the handlebar. Bicycle seat. Bicycle seat. I sit on the seat. Bicycle pedal. Bicycle pedal. I push the pedal. Bicycle chain. Bicycle chain. The chain moves the wheels. Bicycle crank. Bicycle crank. The crank turns the chain. Bicycle front wheel. Bicycle front wheel. The front wheel turns left and right. Bicycle rear wheel. Bicycle rear wheel. The rear wheel moves the bike. Bicycle tire. Bicycle tire. The tire is full of air. Bicycle rim. Bicycle rim. The rim holds the tire. Bicycle spokes. Bicycle spokes. The spokes make the wheels strong. Bicycle brake. Bicycle brake. I use the brake to stop. Bicycle brake lever. Bicycle brake lever. I press the brake lever. Bicycle gear. Bicycle gear. The gear makes riding easy. Bicycle chain ring. Bicycle chain ring. The chain ring moves the chain. Bicycle derailleur. Bicycle derailleur. The derailleur changes the gear. Bicycle fork. Bicycle fork. The fork holds the front wheel. Bicycle seat post. Bicycle seat post. The seat post holds the seat. Bicycle bell. Bicycle bell. I ring the bell. Bicycle kickstand. Bicycle kickstand. The kickstand holds the bicycle. Bicycle helmet. Bicycle helmet. I wear a helmet for safety. Bicycle light. Bicycle light. The light helps me at night. Bicycle basket. Bicycle basket. I put my bag in the basket. Bicycle pump. Bicycle pump. I use the pump to fill air. Bicycle lock. Bicycle lock. I lock my bicycle.